Okay, so now that we have our logo ready to go, let's go ahead and place it in our splash screen and the login page. I think that's pretty much all the main places we need to place it. So if you don't have the logo or you haven't designed it with us in the previous lecture, you can access it by going to the resources for this project, and under the logo folder, you'll see there's a logo green.svg and a logo white.svg. Now, the reason why I exported these as SVGs and not PNGs or JPEGs, which is usually what you use for images, is that SVG gives you that ability to edit the logo and resize it without it losing any quality. So that's one of the reasons why we use SVG for some icons and logos and things like that. Whereas for images, where you have a photo, let's say, you typically use the JPEG and PNG. We'll go over that in more detail later as well when we're exporting our files. So for now, you can go ahead and import both of these into your project by simply dragging them into your XD project. Now we see we have two over here. I think the other one imported in here. So this white one we're going to use on our splash screen. So we're going to place it right in the middle of the screen like this, or where we have our placeholder. And for the placeholder, let's go ahead and now delete it and just move this text up a little bit too, so it's close to the logo. And for the size, I like it how it is here, which is 91 by 126. And then for this green one, let's go ahead and drag that, you guessed it, on our login page, center it within kind of our placeholder here, delete this one. And I think we can move it up a little bit more too, so we have some spacing from our company name over here. Speaking of the company name, it looks like it's a black fill, so I'm going to just change that to this gray that we have. You can go ahead and input this hex code and save it as well, just like me, for our color swatch, but not a problem at all if you haven't done so, because in the following lectures, we're going to come back and talk about color and how we can actually easily access colors throughout our designs. There we have it. That's our logo, and we're ready to move forward.